So finally, let's get on to our past paper questions. All of these questions that we will be doing are directly from the past paper, so you will know exactly what to expect in your examination, right? Till now, what we have done sine rule, we have done cos rule, we have done trigonometric ratios, we've done Pythagoras theorem, we've also done area of the triangle using trigonometric functions. So let's see what the past papers are telling us. So now the question is telling us that the diagram shows a shape made from triangle ABC and a semicircle with diameter BC. So diameter BC is over here and triangle ABC is A, B and C. Is a right angle triangle. It's a right angle triangle denoted by this small square over here which says it's 90 degree. AB is given to you as 7.6 and AC is given to you as 9.5. What you need to do is you need to first find out the area of the shape, the whole shape, which includes the semicircle. So in order to first find out the area of the shape, what you need to do is you need to find BC. So this is a 90 degree triangle, so we'll just take the triangle for now ABC in order to find out BC first. BC's side is opposite given to us. So when it is given to us as opposite, we will use the Pythagoras theorem in order to find the opposite. So what is the Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem is h square equals to OPP square plus ADJ, which is adjacent square. So h square we have is 9.5 square equals to opposite square we need to find out plus adjacent square is 7.6 square, right? So now 9.5 square, if you do try this on a calculator, the answer that you should get is 90.25 equals to O square plus 57.76. 57.76 goes to the other side. So 90.25 minus 57.76 equals to O square. What we get is under root 32.49 O square, and 32.49 under root is 5.7. So we know that 5.7 is our BC, or it is our opposite, right? So now the diameter of the semicircle is 5.7. In order to find the radius, you will have to, so diameter equals to 5.7, radius equals to 5.7 divided by 2. Radius is always half the diameter. So the answer that we will get over here is 2.85. So 2.85 is our radius, and we do need to find out the radius in order to find out the area of a semicircle. So area of the circle, area of circle equals to pi r square. So area of a semicircle, I'll write S over here, semicircle is pi r square over 2 because it's half a circle. So now let's put it in the formula. 3.142 I'm taking as pi over here, and 2.85 square divided by 2. So what I get, area of semicircle is area of S circle equals to 12.76 centimeters square. So 12.76 is the area for this semicircle. Now we also need to find out the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle is basically easy. So area of triangle, and you can use the previous formula that I gave you, half AB sine C, but there is a 90 degree triangle, so it becomes simpler over here. All you're going to do is half into base into height. Base is given to you as 7.6, height is already you've taken out as diameter is 5.7. So half into 7.6 into 5.7. The area that you get over here for the triangle is 21.66 centimeters square. All you do is you add both of them together. The answer that you get, or what you should get over here, is 34.42 centimeters square. So 12.76 plus 21.66, 34.42 centimeters square. Right? This is how you pull this off, and this was a good beginner's question that you could practice. Obviously, if there are any confusions, you think I've missed a step or something, do let me know, and I'll clear that out whenever possible, right? Alright, so let's start with this question now. I'll just make a quick line so that we can differentiate it better. Alright, so now the question over here is telling you that PQR is a triangle. PQ is given to you as 13, QR is given to you as 6, and PR or RP is given to you as 10 centimeters. QR produces S. We'll see what that has to do with this. So find the value of PRQ. PRQ. So you have to find out the angle, or this angle. We also call it theta. But you have to find out in terms of cos angle. So let's see how we fill this up, how we do this. So PQ is given to you, PRQ. So we have gotten three sides over here. If we need to find out the angle, we need to put it in the cos rule or the cosine rule. So we'll use the cos rule. And the cos rule for angle is cos theta equals to, or cos, let me put it this way. Cos R we need to find out, right? So R's angle we need to find out. So cos R equals to P square plus Q square. So P is this, Q is this, minus R square. R is right in front of this, over 2PQ. Cos R we need to find out equals to, P is given to us as 6 square plus Q is given to us as 10 square minus R is given to us as 13 square over 2, 6, 10. When we do this, we get cos R equals to 36 plus 100 minus 169 divided by 10, 60 and 120. And when we solve this, we get 33 over 1 cos R. The answer will be coming in negative, obviously. Do not be scared of a negative number. Don't worry about it. So the answer is negative 33 over 120, which can further be solved by 3 11s is 33 and 3 40s are. Now both of them do not go in any table, so cos R equals to negative 11 over 40. So the answer over here should be negative 11 over 40, which is cos PRQ. Alright, so now the next question that you have is part 2, tells you that hence write down the value of PRS, cos PRS. So you have to actually find out PRS now. So if you have negative 11 over 40 over here for PRQ, then PRS would automatically become positive 11 over 40. And this is a concept that will come later on, but generally what happens is that in the third quadrant, which is more than 90, in the second quadrant, which is more than 90, the cos itself is negative. So over here the cos is negative because of that reason. But in the third quadrant it automatically becomes, or in the first quadrant, which is Over here, if you see, this is less than 90. So in the first quadrant, everything is positive. So 11 over 40 would be the answer over here. If you did not get this part, then don't worry about it. It does not come in trigonometry per se right now. It's more of an advanced kind of a question, but we will be doing that in our later videos.